Hello friends, today let us solve some activity based problems from the topic quadratic equations. The activity is find the factors of following polynomials. So here three polynomials are given and we have to find the factors of those two. Now it is important to find the factors of polynomials because to solve any quadratic equation we have to factorize the polynomial it has. So if we can factorize a polynomial by using that we can find the solution of given quadratic equation. So it becomes very important to find the factors of a polynomial. So the first polynomial given over here is x square minus 4x minus 5. So to find the factors of this polynomial, here the middle term is splitted into minus 5x plus 1x as minus 5x plus 1x, the addition is minus 4 and the product of these two is minus 5. So we have got here 4 terms and the groups of 2 are made here. The first group is x square minus 5x and second group is 1x minus 5. From the first group x is taken common. From x square, if x is taken common, in bracket we should have x minus from 5x, x is taken common, so we should have minus 5. In the same way here also, no common element is there, that's why only 1 is taken common. So in bracket we have x minus 5. Now here both of these two brackets are equal, that is x minus 5. So that is kept in the first bracket, that is x minus 5, and in the second bracket we should have the remaining two terms, that is x plus 1. So x minus 5 and x plus 1, these are the factors of x square minus 4x minus 5. So as we can see here, the polynomial given is a trinomial and it is written in the form of product of two binomials. So these are the two factors of given polynomial. The second polynomial is 2m square minus 5m. So it has only two terms as it is a binomial. From both of these two terms, m can be taken common. So if m is taken common from 2m square, in bracket we should have 2m minus from 5m, m is taken common. So in bracket we should have just 5. So these are the two factors, that is m into 2m minus 5. So these are the two factors of the given polynomial. Now basically what are the factors? Suppose if we have a number 6, so that can be also written as 3 into 2. So in this case we say that 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. So this is for a number. In the same way, if any polynomial is given to us and if we can write that polynomial in the form of the product of two different polynomials, then those two polynomials are called as the factors of the given polynomial. Now we have another polynomial a square minus 25. So here as we know that 25 is the square of 5, so it is written in the form a square minus 5 square. Now we have one expansion formula a square minus b square, and the formula is we should have the addition in the first bracket and in the second bracket we should have the subtraction a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we should use this expansion formula here as a square minus 5 square is there. So in the first bracket we should have the addition of these two, that is a plus 5, and in the second bracket we should have subtraction of these two, that is a minus 5. So these two are the factors of a square minus 25. So this is how we can find the factors of polynomials, which is useful for finding the solution of quadratic equation. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.